the New Testament and the brand new American Testament written by AI.
Democratic Church of America. God does not favor one nation over another.
Doesn't he, though?
No. You still have that Jesus action figure.
Come to me. I could be a warm shoulder and a friendly ear.
That is so kind of you. The church I grew up in. Sang my hymns from the pews there every Sunday. But that church has become a hotbed of starlighter infestation. When I was a little girl, the Reverend regularly had me over for supper. They deserve the Democratic Church of America.
I've been fucking Firecracker.
How's sex with my father? I need you to collect your things and leave.
I love you. We all need love, don't we? Even God.